Hello, we'll begin our practice by coming towards the top of the yoga mat. So just standing here with your feet hip width apart, and we're going to take the hands into a prayer position. As you take your hands into a prayer position, we're going to rest the thumbs on the chest and connecting to the chest and the heart space. So from here, allow your eyes to close. But if you feel unsteady with the eyes closed, then keep them open and just focus on a point in front of you. This point is known as your drishti. So here again, the eyes are either closed and the awareness is in, or you're focusing on your drishti. And I just ask you here to invite a long, slow, deep breath in through your nose. To exhale, fully sigh the breath out of the mouth. Again, breathing deeply in and out. One more slow, deep breath in and out. Feel your breath settle and return to its own natural pattern. Take a moment here, just with your awareness at your chest, at your heart space, to bring to mind the sun, Surya. We'll be working with the Surya Namaskar today, the sun salutation, a series of movements where we bow down to the sun's energy and where we open ourselves up to the sun's energy. So I just ask you here for a moment to give thanks to the sun, to find a space for gratitude within the space of your heart, and to really honor the sun, Surya, in your practice today, knowing that the sun rises every day for us, provides us with light, nutrients, energy, transformation. So here just bringing to mind that energy and allowing that to take you through your practice today. And perhaps you can just take a moment to visualize the sun within your mind and to really almost feel the warmth and the joy of the sun, even if it is not present here right now for you, but to really just connect to its energy. And then from here, just take a long, slow, deep breath, then drawing the sun's energy in. And this time exhale fully from your nose. Gently allow your eyes to open as you come back into the room. And to begin our practice, we're going to extend the hands out. We're going to interlock the thumbs. We're going to take the hands all the way up towards the ceiling and coming into a slight back bend. So you're slightly squeezing your glutes as you raise your hands up and just taking your gaze to look slightly up. From here, take a breath in, and as you exhale, you're extending from your hips as you flow all the way down into a forward bend. And then from here, you're going to take your hands onto your shins and you're going to look up. And as you're looking up, you're coming into a flat back. And then from here, we'll forward fold. So you're going to grab hold of the back of the legs. And as you grab hold of the back of the legs, if you need a soft bend into the knees, you can take a soft bend into the knees as you drop through the neck and the head in your forward fold. From here now, take your hands either side of your feet and take a big step back with your left foot. Here we're coming into a high lunge position. If you prefer, you can lower the knee down. Or if you want to challenge yourself, just keeping the knee off the mat. From here, just take a moment to hold, just feel the breath coming in and out of the body. And then from here, we're going to sweep this right foot back and we are going to lower both knees down onto the mat. We'll now come into Ashtanga Asana. So you're going to lower your chest and chin down onto the mat. And then from here, lower your hips, squeeze your glutes as you lift up through your head and your chest into Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. From here now, lifting your hips all the way up and back into an extended child's pose, keeping the hands out in front of you. And then from here, we'll lift the hips up, draw the toes under, and rising into a downward facing dog. So here your feet are hip width apart and you're sinking the heels down towards the ground. The backs of the knees are straight and you're rolling the hips forward, taking the hips up towards the ceiling and actively pushing the ground away from you as you push the hands into the mat. From here now, we're going to walk towards the top of the mat. So you're walking your feet all the way up towards the top of the mat. Again, feet are hip width apart. We're going to come up in halfway lift and lengthen through the spine And then coming down into forward fold. From here now, we're going to take the hands wide out to the side and all the way up towards the ceiling as we interlock the thumbs, coming into that gentle back bend, and then taking your hands back into a prayer position at the chest. So that was half a round where we worked with the right side forward in the lunge. We'll now do the left side. So from here, again, extending your hands out in front, interlock your thumbs, and take the hands all the way up towards the ceiling. Take a breath in, and as you exhale the breath through the nose, I'm going to lengthen through the spine, coming down, and then coming into your halfway lift, and on an exhalation, coming into forward fold. From here now, you'll take a big step back with your right foot, coming into your lunge, and again, if you need to modify, you can lower the right knee down onto the mat. But otherwise, just take a moment to hold and just feel the breath coming in and out. You're breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. And then from here, we're going to sweep this left foot back and lower both knees down onto the mat as we come down into Ashtanga Asana. So your chest, chin come down, your hips are high. And then from here, lower your hips down, squeeze your glutes as you rise up into Bhujangasana. From here, lifting your hips all the way back into an extended child's pose. Balasana, and then rising into your downward facing dog, Ardha Mukha Svanasana. From here, we're going to walk the feet towards the hands, coming back into your standing forward fold, and then coming into halfway lift. Forward fold. Again, you can take a soft bend in the knees if you need. And then from here, we're going to take the hands wide out to the side as we rise all the way up into your soft back bend, and then back into your prayer position. So that was one full round of the Surya Namaskar, and we're going to do 2 more rounds. So here, breathing in as you take your hands forward, interlock your thumbs, exhale into your back bend. Breathing in, flow forward, and then exhale into your halfway lift. Again, inhale as you forward fold. And then from here, exhale, we'll take that left foot back as you come into your lunge position. Inhale, sweep your right foot back, lower your knees, chest and chin down as you exhale. Inhale into Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. And then exhale into your child's pose. Inhale up into your downward facing dog. And then exhale as you start to walk your feet towards the top of the yoga mat. Feet are hip width apart. And then from here, exhale as you lift the head up, coming into flat back. Forward fold. And then just taking the hands wide up to the side as you inhale, rising all the way up into your back bend. And then exhale back into prayer position. From here, again, we'll flow again. So you're going to take the hands forward. Interlock your thumbs, inhale as you come up, exhale as you flow forward. Inhale up into halfway lift, exhale forward fold. Inhale, let's step the right foot back now into your high lunge and just exhale here. And then we'll inhale, take that left foot back, lower the knees down as you exhale into Ashtanga Asana. Inhale up into Cobra pose. And then exhale into your child's pose. Inhale, rise up into your downward facing dog. And then exhale as you walk your feet towards the top of the mat. And then coming into your halfway lift, forward fold. And then from here, taking your hands wide out to the side as you rise up. Inhale into your back bend. And exhale into your prayer pose. Well done, keep going. We've got 1 more round to do. Okay, so again from here, going to interlock your thumbs, take the hands forward, coming into your back bend. Flow forward and down into forward bend. Coming into your halfway lift as you inhale, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, let's step that left foot back. Exhale into your lunge. And then let's sweep that right foot back. Lower your knees down, chest and chin comes down. Then inhale up into Cobra. And exhale into Balasana, child's pose. rising through into your downward facing dog. And then as you exhale, walking your feet towards the top of the yoga mat. Rising into halfway lift and forward fold. Let's take the hands wide out to the side as we come all the way up into your back bend. Inhale and then exhale as you come into prayer. And then the final round to go here. So from here, interlocking your thumbs, coming into your back bend. Take a breath in and then exhale, fold forward. Inhale into halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, let's step your right foot back now into your lunge position. And then we'll sweep that left foot back, lower the knees, chest and chin down into Ashtanga Asana, rising into your cobra. From here, lift your hips all the way up and back into your child's pose. And then rising into your downward facing dog. From here, start to walk your feet towards your hands as you come into your standing forward bend. And then inhale into halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. From here, let's take the hands wide out to the side as we rise all the way up into a back bend. Inhale and then exhale into your prayer position. As you come into prayer position, just take a moment once again to allow your eyes to close or to focus on your drishti. And just take a moment just to feel the warmth and the joy of the Surya Namaskar practice. And to really just feel your body energized and open. And then from here, inviting a long, slow, deep breath in through your nose. Exhale fully. And gently allow your eyes to open. You can release through your hands. And I hope you enjoyed that practice. I really enjoyed taking you through it. Just like to remind you when you're working with this Surya Namaskar to breathe in through your nose and out through your nose through the practice. And I really hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments how you got on. This is a beginner's practice, so it's really a good way to start the practice. Or if you just want to work a little bit slower with the Surya Namaskar, it's a really nice sequence for that. So please do stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here in our community and in this space. And I'll be sharing more videos with you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Otherwise, take care and have a really great day. Bye.